Welcome to Casa T, a striking example of minimalist architecture in Spain. This residence blends pure geometric volumes with a carefully selected material palette and a Mediterranean aesthetic, creating a seamless connection between interior and exterior spaces. Designed with precision and simplicity, Casa T3 embodies modern elegance. Casa T presents a composition of clean, monolithic volumes arranged in a balanced layout. The structure is defined by a combination of solid and void, with large glass openings breaking the solidity of the walls. The house's cubic form and horizontal planes create a strong yet refined presence in the landscape. The slightly sloped roof, covered with these textured earthy tone tiles, contrasts beautifully with the clean lines of the concrete and glass elements. This fusion of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary architecture reinforces the home's connection to its Mediterranean setting, blending heritage with modern efficiency. Built with reinforced concrete and wooden elements, Casa T ensures both stability and warmth. The construction method prioritizes clean lines, eliminating unnecessary ornamentation. The integration of high-performance glass allows for thermal efficiency while maintaining transparency between the interior and exterior. The house is organized into two main areas: a social space with an open-plan living, dining, and kitchen area, and a more private section housing the bedrooms. The layout maximizes fluidity, with continuous transitions between rooms. Sliding glass doors open onto outdoor terraces, extending the living space into the natural surroundings. The floor-to-ceiling windows in the living and dining areas provide uninterrupted sight lines, enhancing the sense of openness and spaciousness. In the private spaces, strategically placed windows offer framed views of nature, ensuring privacy while still maintaining a strong visual link to the environment. The use of wooden accents and earthy hues connects the space to nature, while smooth stucco finishes on some surfaces and floor tiles add a traditional yet contemporary touch. This balance between modern minimalism and Mediterranean warmth makes Casa T both elegant and inviting. The interior follows the same minimalist philosophy, with carefully selected furnishings that emphasize functionality and comfort. Custom-built furniture, warm wooden accents, and subtle decor elements contribute to an uncluttered yet cozy living environment. Every detail is designed to enhance spatial purity. The outdoor areas include landscape terraces that blend local vegetation with architectural elements. The connection between indoor and outdoor spaces reinforces a sense of openness and tranquility, making nature an integral part of daily life. Casa T is a perfect balance of modern minimalism and warm materiality. Its clean geometry, thoughtful lighting, and seamless spatial flow create a home that feels both sophisticated and welcoming. This house is a testament to the power of simplicity in architecture.